To prove allegiance to the Philippines, SAGIP Party-list Representative Rodante Marcoleta asked ABS-CBN Chairman Emeritus Gabby Lopez to recite the first line of Panatang Makabayan. Marcoleta asked Lopez to do it during the House Joint Committee hearing on ABS-CBN's franchise application. The lawmaker was grilling Lopez about his allegiance as a dual citizen of both the Philippines and United States.
Ganito na lamang po, para siguro matapos tayo sa issue ng allegiance. Mawalang galang na po, Mr. Lopez. Pwede ba naming hilingin sa inyo na i-recite ninyo yung unang linya ng Panatang Makabayan?
While waiting for Lopez to respond, Marcoleta told Bayan Muna Party-list Representative Carlos Zarate,
Unang linya lang. Congressman Zarate, baka gusto mo ng tulungan.
Zarate didn't take Marcoleta's suggestion lightly.
Take exception to the side comments of Congressman Marcoleta.
Baka lang gusto niyo pong tulungan.
I have my own time.
As the two legislators argued, Lopez was heard saying,
My own time.
Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas.
Salamat po.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike the statement of Mr. Marcoleta.
COMSEC is directed to strike out the previous comment.
Mr. Chair, may I the reason why that statement should be stricken from the record? I
Congressman
simply ask
Zarate.
our colleague if he would like to help.
I am not the one under interpellation, Mr. Speaker. I have my own time,
Mr.
Mr.
Chairman.
Legislator. Why would the gentleman
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.